AI isn't coming, it's already here. It's not some distant technology waiting to arrive. It's quietly threading itself through everything you see, touch, and choose. It's rewriting how we learn, how we create, and how we make decisions. And it's giving unprecedented influence to those who understand and shape data, the new architects of progress. But most people will move through this change without realizing how deep it runs. They'll scroll, react, consume, and call it staying informed. They'll use AI the way they once used social media, without realizing that what they're using is also using them. That's not a warning, it's an invitation, because here we learn how to see the framework clearly. If you understand the operating system, you don't get lost in it. You navigate it. Stay until the end, because by then you'll see how to think, build, and move within this new world. This isn't about learning prompts, it's about learning how power now moves. The AI age runs on invisible architecture, a quiet web of pattern recognition, feedback loops, and probabilistic design. It doesn't shout, it listens. It doesn't persuade, it predicts. And those predictions shape your choices, your preferences, even your sense of what's possible. AI isn't an external tool anymore. It's becoming the medium through which modern life operates. Everything, from your news feed to your job recommendations to your next purchase, passes through a logic most will never see, yet everyone will live by. It's not moral or immoral, it's mechanical, and that's what makes it powerful. Those who see the machinery can move with precision inside it. Those who don't are moved by it without realizing. Attention becomes the new gravity. Data becomes the new memory. And every click, phrase, and impulse teaches the system what humanity values. Understanding this doesn't make you paranoid. It makes you conscious. It's the difference between reacting to the world and realizing you're helping write it. If you find value in seeing beneath the surface, subscribe to Financial Imperialism. Here we explore the invisible structures shaping the visible world. Throughout history, every major transformation has shifted where leverage lives. The industrial age rewarded production. The information age rewarded distribution. The AI age rewards interpretation. Because now everything produces data, but few can interpret what that data means. The new AI system can generate, simulate, and predict, but only humans can assign meaning, and meaning is the last monopoly. Most people will use AI to generate faster, cheaper, more content, but the few who understand why they're generating, who build with intention, not just speed, will shape the future. You don't have to abandon your talent or your time. You just have to learn how to apply them in ways that compound through this new infrastructure. The AI system doesn't erase creativity. It multiplies precision. It rewards clarity. It scales vision. The thinkers, builders, and creators who learn to think like systems will quietly overtake those who don't. And when that shift happens, it won't look like disruption. It'll look like inevitability. If you're building something, a brand, a channel, a product, learn to think in systems. That's how your work becomes anti-fragile in an algorithmic world. To build in this era, you need to master coherence. You need to understand how things connect, how ideas scale, how feedback loops turn motion into momentum. Every great builder of the past worked with the tools of their time. The industrialists built with steel. The writers built with paper. The inventors built with electricity. We build with intelligence, not artificial, amplified. Because when intelligence compounds, it doesn't just extend human ability, it extends human reach. That's why AI isn't replacing jobs. It's replacing approaches. The ones who thrive are those who integrate it into how they think. To build now means to design at multiple levels at once: the content, the system it exists within, and the attention it generates around it. That's the mindset of modern builders. They don't see AI as a shortcut. They see it as an exoskeleton for thought. They move like strategists. They think in architecture. And as the world accelerates, they're not running faster. They're designing smarter. If that's the mindset you're cultivating, you're already part of this channel's design philosophy. Follow along. We build frameworks, not fads. There's a common illusion that humans are in competition with AI, that the future is a race, and we're losing it. But intelligence doesn't compete with intelligence. It converges. It evolves through alignment. You don't need to fight the system. You need to understand it. Because if you align with it, it amplifies you. If you resist it, it replaces you. That's the quiet law of this new operating system. Alignment isn't surrender, it's leverage. It means using the system as a force multiplier, not a master. It means positioning yourself where intelligence flows, instead of trying to block it. The system rewards clarity, not chaos. The clearer your direction, the more efficiently AI aligns with it. Because in this new world, precision is key, and clarity has always been the language of power. Every system in history has rewarded those who understood it first, those who could read the structure beneath the surface, the logic others mistook for chaos. The printing press didn't just empower readers, it empowered those who learned to publish their ideas. AI works the same way. It empowers anyone who learns how to express their intent clearly through it. You don't need a PhD in computer science to participate in the evolution of AI. You need to be articulate and creative. The real power isn't in replacing humans, it's in enhancing them. AI extends what you already are. It magnifies focus, direction, and discipline. The most powerful individuals in the AI age aren't defined by how many tools they use, but by how deeply they understand the system that unites them. They design workflows, ideas, and networks that bring their vision to life without losing the human essence. That gives it meaning. That's what it means to think like an architect in an age of automation. So the question isn't whether AI will change your life. It already has. The question is whether you'll remain a passive participant or become a conscious designer in the operating system that now defines civilization itself. In this new world, understanding is wealth, clarity is power, and the ability to design rather than react is the final advantage. If you're done being a user and ready to become a designer, subscribe to Financial Imperialism, stay sharp, and watch the next video as we continue to decode the architecture behind the age of AI.